Liquid blue. Welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn how to prepare liquid blue, which we use in our day to day life. Hope you would like to know about it. At the end of the session, you will know what is liquid blue, what are the materials that are required to prepare liquid blue, what are the ingredients that are required to prepare liquid blue, what are the steps you need to take to prepare liquid blue. Liquid blue has fabric whiteness and helps in providing super whiteness as well as original luster to the clothes. Let's see what are the materials and ingredients needed to prepare liquid blue. Step 1. Gather all the materials needed for the job. The materials needed are 5-liter capacity steel pot, 5-liter capacity aluminium pot, 1 long ladle, funnel, lid, empty bottles, gas stove, 1-liter measuring jar, white cotton cloth, a big cloth, small spoons, matchbox, a pair of scissors, and trays. Concentrated acetic acid is corrosive to skin and must therefore be handled with appropriate care. It can cause skin burns, permanent eye damage, and irritation. Touching acetic acid with bare hands can cause itching. So always wear gloves while handling. Do not inhale acetic acid. Inhaling acetic acid can irritate the nose, throat, and the lungs. So wear a mask to protect yourself. Now you know well how to handle chemicals. Hope you will follow all the instructions carefully. Step 2. Gather all the ingredients needed for the job. The ingredients needed are acid violet 25 grams, acid blue 10 grams, HI rose 5 grams, tinopal 5 grams, acetic acid 10 milliliters, glycerine 10 milliliters, and drinking water 2.5 liters. Now let's see the step by step process of making liquid blue. First of all, measure with the measuring jar 2.5 liters of drinking water in a 5-liter steel pot. Then, light the stove and put the pot of water on the stove. Let the water boil. Always use drinking water because salty water is not good to make liquid blue. In some cases, the items like acid violet, acid blue, HI rose, and tinopal come mixed in one packet. In that case, you just put the mixed powder in the steel pot and stir it well. Here, we have acid violet, acid blue, HI rose, and tinopal, everything together as they come in one packet. So when the water boils, add all these little by little into the steel pot. Stir it in one direction only as you put the powder into the boiling water so that it mixes well. If it doesn't mix well, then you will get blue patches on your clothes. Switch off the stove. Bring down the container from the stove. After 5 minutes, add 10 milliliters of acetic acid. Now, add 10 milliliters of glycerine to it. Stir it well in both directions, like clockwise and anti-clockwise. This will mix it properly. We add acetic acid and glycerine so that the first compound, which is the mixture of acid violet, acid blue, HI rose, and tinopal, mixes with water well. If you don't add acetic acid and glycerine, then after 2 days, the water and the first compound will get separated. Close the container with a lid. Leave the liquid blue aside for 24 hours. After 24 hours, filter the liquid blue into another pot with a white cotton cloth so that the small grains in it will be filtered out. Pack it in small bottles with the help of a funnel. Now, your liquid blue is ready. Now, let's review the 9 easy steps of making liquid blue. Measure with a measuring jar 2.5 liters of drinking water in a 5-liter steel pot. Light the stove and put the pot of water on the stove. When the water boils, add acid violet, acid blue, HI rose, and tinopal into the steel pot. Switch off the stove and bring down the container from the stove. After 5 minutes, add 10 milliliters of acetic acid. Add 10 milliliters of glycerine to it and stir it well. Close the container with a lid and leave it aside for 24 hours. After 24 hours, filter the liquid blue into another pot with a white cotton cloth so that the small grains in it will be filtered out. Pack it in small bottles with the help of a funnel. To use liquid blue, always add 1 or 2 drops of liquid blue in a bucket and then add water. Then you may dip your white clothes in it to bring whiteness and luster to them. Now, you have learned what liquid blue is, what are the materials and ingredients used to prepare liquid blue, what are the safety precautions to be taken before preparing it, and how to prepare liquid blue systematically. So, we have successfully prepared 2.5 liters of liquid blue. With that, we've come to the end of this session. Hope you have enjoyed the session as much as we have enjoyed sharing it with you. Thank you.